The state of Goa is located on the west coast of India. It covers an area of 3,702 square kilometers. From north to south, it is 105 kilometers long, and from east to west, it is 65 kilometers wide. On the map of India, Goa can be located between 14 degrees north and 15 degrees north latitude and 73 degrees east and 74 degrees east longitudes. A group of villages and towns forms a taluka. Some talukas together form a district. Goa is divided into two districts, namely North Goa and South Goa. Panaji is the headquarters of North Goa district and Margao is the headquarters of South Goa district. There are 12 talukas spread over both these districts. Goa does not have the same type of land everywhere. There are low-lying areas and highlands which can be divided into three natural divisions. They are the lowlands, the plateau region, the mountain region. The lowlands. The coast of Goa is about 110 kilometers long. Many beaches are found along the coast. The lowlands have also beautiful springs with medicinal waters. For example, Kusolim spring near Margao and Pombudpa spring in Bardes. The plateaus. They are found between the mountain region in the east and lowlands in the west. These plateaus are lowlands with almost level tops. Their heights range from 30 meters to 100 meters. Laterite stone is found in plenty in the plateau region. This is locally known as Zamba. It is used for building houses. Most of the house walls and compound walls all over Goa are made of laterite stone. Some part of the plateaus called headlands are found along the coast of Goa. These are tablelands that go out into the sea like Agwat, Kebo and Mormugaon. Lighthouses are built on these headlands. The mountain region. About 600 square kilometers of the Sahyadri Mountains are to the east of Goa. In some places, these mountains are very steep. Many streams flow down these steep slopes, forming waterfalls. The Dudhsagar Falls is the most beautiful of them. The most important peaks of the Sahyadris in Goa are Sosogad, Katlanchi Mauli, Vageri, Mollegad, and so on. They are all in Sattari Taluka. The other peaks are at Siddhanath at Bori in Ponda Taluka, Chandranath at Paroda in Kepe Taluka, Dudhsagar in Sange Taluka, and Kormalgad in Kankon Taluka. Rivers of Goa. The slope of the land is from east to west, so rivers that rise in the Sahyadris flow westward into the Arabian Sea. From north to south, the 9 important rivers are Terekol, Chapora, Mandavi, Zuari, Sal, Talpona, Lolie, and Galgibag. Of these rivers, the Mandovi and the Zuari are the most important. In 2001, the population of Goa was about 1.34 million. People from Goa are called Goans. The local tribes are the Kunbis, Gaudas, Velips, and Thangars. Most Goan live in the coastal plains and the lowlands. The official language of Goa is Konkani, with equal status given to Marathi. Other languages used are English, Portuguese, Urdu, etc. The people of Goa are very religious. Hindus worship at temples, Christians at churches, and Muslims at mosque. People are very fond of music, dance, and drama.